All right, so anyway, when you're putting this thing down, sometimes you get the hose in the wrong spot or it'll catch. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little tie on here to keep it from getting caught. So I got one of these. I'm just going to put it right around there just like that. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off of here for now. Okay. Yep, and when you set it down there, it gets caught. So if I take this and I just kind of connect it to this, that should solve our problem, right? All right, so I just got to get this around like that and then smush it right through there and we should be good. So anyway, so we're just going to go like that, pull it through, and that basically keeps it right there, keeps it from then I just got to cut that. Now when we set this down on there, it should be easier. We got to cut this though. Just going to cut it right there, kind of close. Yeah, done. All right, now we can put this back in, and we should have no problem sliding it over this, both of these. Should work perfect. So we'll see. So I'm just going to lift it up, slip it down in there. All right, so there we are. Now much easier to get it on. Yeah. So that's your fix right there, just a little tie. Just keep it right like that. That should work. All right, now we gotta put this on. All right, on she goes. And I aim this away from the motor. Oops. Then we just gotta tighten this down. And you want to look and make sure that you don't have any of the O-rings sticking out. Once you get her down, you're going to be good. Takes a lot of turns. There we go. We're on it. Just leave this open a little bit, and then hit it over here. Bam. See smoke going up in there. You can hear it over here. Here she comes. Good. Look around, make sure there's no leaks. All right, Bob's on.